Hey guys, my name is 𝐓𝐡𝐚𝐧𝐤 𝐘𝐨𝐮 Today I'm going to show you how you can make sure your gold standard 100% whey protein powder is an authentic Optimum nutrition product. Look for the true seal sticker and scratch to reveal the unique 6-digit code. You can verify the code on the website www.authenticateon.in or send an SMS to 57575 with ON space your code. It's that simple. Well, the best way is to verify through the code. Here are few other ways you can make sure your product is authentic. Check the neckband and make sure it has a gold hologram seal. Also, now Optimum Nutrition Gold Standard 100% whey protein powder will not have importer sticker and all the information is on label. When you open the cap, you will see an induction wad. This induction wad will be stuck on the neck of the tub or it will be under the cap. In either case, the product is 100% genuine. Plus, now gold standard whey protein powder comes with a transparent scoop. In case you are not able to verify your product, get in touch with our customer care team at Optimum Nutrition on 011 4959 4959 or mail indiacustomercare@𝐍𝐨𝐭𝐞.com. And that's it. Go ahead and enjoy our world's #1 best-selling protein powder, gold standard 100% whey protein.